There are multiple ways to get to the top of the peak in Hong Kong. I'm going to walk you through how to take the Peak Tram. One quick tip, the city view will be on the right side of the tram and it goes up. But even if you can't get a good seat, you're allowed to move to a different spot inside the tram. Just be careful though, you'll be on an incline of nearly 25 degrees. Hong Kong is a small city and you can get to almost anywhere using Mass Transit Railway or MTR for short. Unless you're taking a taxi, most people walk about 10 to 15 minutes from either Central or Admiralty MTR Station. I personally prefer starting from Admiralty because for those who want to visit Ocean Park during the day and the peak at night, Admiralty Station is just one stop away from the Ocean Park Station. If you go to the Central Station from Ocean Park, you will need to make a transfer from the South Island line to the Island line. We're going to start our walk from the Lippo Center, and I'll leave the address details in the description section. For the first 15 minutes of the walk, you will mostly be on sky bridges passing through commercial buildings. If you may need a restroom before starting, there's one inside the Queensway Plaza. Just look for PetSmart. Back to where we were, we're heading towards the Fairmont House. For tickets, you can purchase them online or through various travel apps. Like me, I just purchase it at the ticket counters. But I recommend choosing the Peak Tram plus the Sky Terrace round-trip option. It is a bit more pricey, but it will save you the most time and give you the best experience. Without the Sky Terrace option, you will still enjoy the stunning view from the lower level balcony, but in my opinion, it is worth the extra cost to go up to the Sky Terrace. I'll show you the difference right after I show you the Hong Kong traditional street food. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think sugar puff is kinda harder to find these days. You can still order them at some dim sum places, but if you have some room in your stomach when you are there, I highly recommend trying it. Egg tart is something you must try in Hong Kong. There are two types, the puff pastry base, which is the traditional method, and the cookie base, which is the more modern take. Find a friend to share and try both. Many of these street foods can still be found at local bakeries or market. Follow my other videos and I'll share more details on where to find them.
Please ensure the safety and comfort of any elderly persons or children traveling in your party. 请让好同行的老人和小朋友。
The line for the tram going back down is often longer than the one coming up, but it usually moves quickly. On our way back, we just took a taxi to a nearby MTR station. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and give it a like. If you would also like to know more about where to stay and what food to try, check out my other videos about Hong Kong. I'll see you next time.